Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure you are the organizer and that your Apple ID has a valid payment method. This matters because purchases are shared through that account. Next, on each family device, sign into iCloud with the person's Apple ID and check iOS or Mac OS versions to meet requirements. Once done, open Settings, tap your name, select Family Sharing, and add members by entering their Apple ID or sending invites. This immediately starts the family group and enables shared features. You now activate Apple Music within the family group. Subscribe to the Apple Music Family plan from your account so the subscription can be shared. Then, in Family Sharing settings, toggle Apple Music access so members can use it. Next, send invites or verify that invited members accept on their devices. They must sign into Apple Music using their own Apple ID so personal libraries and recommendations remain separate. Make sure members restart the Music app if access doesn't appear immediately. Finish by verifying Apple Music appears under Shared Features in Family Sharing and that each member can stream and download. If someone can't access the catalog, have them sign out of iCloud and Apple Music, then sign back in. This refreshes entitlements. Also check the organizer's payment method and region settings because billing or country mismatches commonly block sharing. If problems continue, billing disputes, multiple subscriptions, or account conflicts, contact Apple support for account-level resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.